Okay, so I'm going to make another change, because you can't have grayscale images without a search term. So if I do this, it's not going to work. No. If I do that, then I get a little picture. So I need to update this thing here. And I was just thinking about maybe adding a new method entirely. Search terms equals all. So now I don't need that is grey in there, but I'll leave it in there just so everything still works. And I can just copy this, and I can also copy that, because all we're doing is passing G into the format now. Just change the wording on this. So that should be nice and dandy. And now I just need to add some tests for it, which should just be the same as these. So I can just kind of copy these and just change the wording. And I like to make sure everything's in order as well. So test grayscale, 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 grayscale. It's all grayscale. Because I don't have my mouse, I'm using the touchpad. So I need to change all these to grayscale, grayscale, and grayscale. Okay. So now I need to change this P to a G. So now hopefully if I run these tests, they should just pass. It's looking good. Well, don't just fix that entropy leak because that's not on my branch. Oh, something didn't quite work. What didn't work? What didn't work? Try it again. Maybe it's just a quirk. usually passes the second time. Hey, huzzah! Okay, so now I can just do added set separate method for creating grayscale images. And I'll need to update these docs as well. And again, I can just copy off this pixelated image. Grayscale. Change these. P. Okay. And so now we've got that grayscale image, we can get rid of the boolean out of this to make things a bit cleaner. I can just do nil on this because this build URL will just add nil into this array, and then it runs compact, so we'll just get rid of that nil and we'll have the right URL. So all these tests will fail now. I don't need this test anymore. And don't need that one. Need that one. That was a pretty easy change. What's wrong with this one? That should be right. Just 300. Nil. Let's try it again. Maybe it was just being fussy because I was changing the test at the same time. now we need to update the docs as well. We can take that out. Take that out. Take that out. And it's it looks a lot nicer now. Oh. Okay. So I think I can push this now. Oh, if I got my password right. Okay. I can also comment on this, so just saying okay. So hopefully that should be okay. So I've been waiting for this to be merged in for quite a while. 4th of Feb. Yeah, quite a while. So fingers crossed it gets merged in pretty soon.